Let me tell you something that most YouTube gurus won't say out loud. Most people who start a YouTube channel will never reach 1,000 subscribers. Not because YouTube is against them, not because the algorithm hates them, and definitely not because they're unlucky. The real reason? Most small creators are making 3 huge mistakes, and the scary part is, they don't even realize they're doing them. And these mistakes keep their channels stuck at 27 subscribers, 63 subscribers, maybe 112 subscribers for months, sometimes even years. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest reasons small channels never reach 1,000 subscribers. And more importantly, I'm going to show you what to do instead so your channel actually grows. Because hitting your first 1,000 subscribers is not luck, it's strategy. Before we get into the mistakes, let's get something clear. YouTube is not a platform where you just upload videos and magically grow. YouTube is a search engine and recommendation system, which means every video you post is basically competing against millions of other videos. So if your content is not positioned correctly, the algorithm simply skips your video and recommends someone else's. That's the brutal truth most beginners don't know. Now let's talk about the first mistake. Mistake 1. Posting random content with no clear direction. This one is extremely common. A lot of small creators start a YouTube channel and they just start posting anything. One day they post, morning routine. Next video, trying Nigerian snacks. Next video, motivation talk. Next video, day in my life. Listen, if your channel's doing 10 different things, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend you to. The algorithm needs clarity. When someone watches one of your videos, YouTube tries to figure out who else would enjoy this content. But if every video is about something different, YouTube gets confused. And when the algorithm gets confused, your videos stop getting pushed. So the solution is simple. Your channel needs a clear content direction, not random uploads. When your content revolves around a clear topic, YouTube understands your audience. And once that happens, your growth becomes much easier. Mistake 2. Titles and thumbnails that nobody wants to click. Let's be honest for a second. A lot of small YouTube channels are posting videos with titles like, "My new video," "My vlog today," "Please watch." Listen, nobody is searching for that. Nobody wakes up and goes to YouTube and types, "Life update number 4." Your title needs to create curiosity or value, something that makes people think, "I need to click this." For example, instead of saying, "My YouTube journey," you could say, "How I gained 500 subscribers with 3 videos." Instead of saying, "Morning routine," you could say, "My 5 a.m. routine that fixed my productivity." See the difference? One sounds like a diary entry. The other sounds like something people want to learn from. And the same thing applies to thumbnails. If your thumbnail looks dull, cluttered, or confusing, people will scroll right past it. Even if the video is amazing, YouTube growth is not just about making videos. It's about packaging the videos correctly. Mistake 3. Quitting before the algorithm even notices you. This is probably the biggest reason most channels never reach 1,000 subscribers. They quit too early. Here's something most people don't realize. YouTube often takes time to understand your channel. In the beginning, the algorithm is basically testing your videos. It shows them to small groups of people. It watches how they react. Do they click? Do they watch? Do they leave? If the signals are good, the video gets pushed further. But here's the problem. Many creators upload maybe 6 videos, maybe 10 videos. They see low views, and then they say, "YouTube is too hard. This platform doesn't work," and they quit. Meanwhile, some of the biggest YouTubers you see today uploaded 50 videos, 80 videos, sometimes 100 videos before things started taking off. Growth on YouTube is often delayed momentum. The effort you put in today may not show results until months later. But when it starts working, it works fast. Now, here's the good news. Getting to 1,000 subscribers is actually very doable if you focus on the right things. You need 3 things. First, clear content direction. Second, clickable titles and thumbnails. Third, consistency long enough for the algorithm to learn your channel. If you focus on these 3 things alone, you're already ahead of most beginner creators, because the majority are still posting randomly and hoping something goes viral. Let me also say something important. Reaching 1,000 subscribers can take different amounts of time depending on your strategy. Some creators reach it in 3 months, some take 6 months, some take a year or more. But what matters is that you're actually moving forward. Because once you hit that first 1,000 subscribers, everything about YouTube starts to make more sense. You understand the platform better. You understand your audience better. And your growth becomes much easier. So, if you're currently sitting at 20 subscribers, 100 subscribers, or even 400 subscribers, don't panic. Every big YouTube channel you see today started exactly where you are right now. But the creators who grow are the ones who learn the platform early and stop making the mistakes that keep small channels stuck. Focus on strategy, focus on packaging, and most importantly, don't quit too soon, because your first 1,000 subscribers might be a lot closer than you think. If you want more videos breaking down exactly how to grow your YouTube channel, get more subscribers, and reach monetization faster, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be talking a lot about YouTube growth, monetization, and the strategies that actually work.